Broad beans in a pan are a light side dish full of flavors, ideal to accompany your meals with simplicity and goodness. Ingredients: 500 grams of shelled fresh broad beans, 2 or 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, fine salt, and, if you like, a grind of black pepper, and a handful of fresh mint leaves if you want a more aromatic taste. To prepare them, start by heating the extra virgin oil in a pan and lightly brown the garlic to flavor the oil, then remove it. Then, put in the broad beans and let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, adding a little water if necessary. Adjust the salt and pepper, and at the end of cooking, you can also add the chopped mint to give a touch of freshness. Serve as a side dish or as a unique dish for a simple and genuine taste experience. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this, and visit our website for other tasty suggestions. Broad beans in a pan represent a healthy and nutritious choice, as they are a source of protein, fiber, and minerals such as phosphorus, iron, and potassium, perfect in combination with pecorino for a completely Italian flavor.